Hey everyone! In this video we'll make a simple, pretty well-shaped pendant for your room and other uses. The components we'll need are wooden studs or sticks, scissors, glue and twine for fixing. Also, if you'd like to add some special colors to your craft, you can use any paint. Now enjoy the watching! Here's such a sweet bright pendant we've got, using the simple improvised means. Thanks for watching, like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to make your dreams makeable!